Matt Ryan, Matthew, did not play well in week 1 of the national stage. However, it's a better matchup, I would contend, against the Carolina Panthers. But how do you feel about Matt Ryan? Is there a circumstance under which you think he's startable? Must start?
2-quarterback league.
Yeah.
An 18-team league. I have him as QB 18.
Right, yeah.
He did not look good. And, it gets magnified a little bit, obviously, because it's the only game and everyone's watching it.
Sure.
But he looked bad. I mean, forget the fantasy numbers. Yeah, his passes didn't show really didn't have any zip.
Sure.
He missed badly. It's one thing to have a bad fantasy game. It's another thing just from an NFL standpoint. Like, he missed Julio badly. Now, that game was outdoor in Philadelphia. This game's going to be inside in Atlanta. He has traditionally, throughout his career, played better when he is in the dome in Atlanta. But 9 straight games now, if you go back, including the playoffs from last year, 9 straight games without multiple touchdown passes. Like, I don't know that there's a tremendous amount of upside here in Matt Ryan. You're hoping for 250, 2 touchdowns and no picks.
That would be a great starting point after where he was throughout all of last year.
Look, I mean, Andy Dalton threw 4 touchdowns last night, so anything is possible. But in the game of what's most likely to happen, Matt Ryan's on my bench this week until I see it on the field.